Okay, so today there was a 2-hour delay. As you can see, it did snow last night, but it wasn't as severe as the other day. The whole back deck is ice. Actually, I think it's melted snow, but you can see Daisy right here. Okay, let's be careful, Daisy, going down the steps. We don't want to do what happened the last time. As you can see, it did snow. There is some snow right there. Right there. It is. Those are definitely snow clouds. But then you can look over here, and it's just floods. Plus snow. So yay, floods. See, it is flooded all over there. Floods plus snow. So that's always a great thing. Flash flood, plus it snowed, plus it's iced. So yeah, what a perfect way to put a school on a 2-hour delay. Yay. As you can see, some of it is starting to melt, but that can turn into ice. Okay, so I set this bottle out, this little cup thing out yesterday, and this is how much rain we have gotten. That is quite a lot of rain. Then here is the turtle tank, sadly. It cracked because of the ice. Have a lovely day, and I will see y'all later. Bye!